Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of conditions for solvability of linear equations in two variables. This question was also asked in one of the previous years. We have to find P and Q such that the system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Okay, has infinitely many solutions. So first we'll put down the condition for a system of equations to have infinitely many solutions. Okay, let me shift to my pen mode. Yes, and a1 I have a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, so this is the condition for infinite solutions. Okay, now remember this is the 52nd question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 51 questions as well. Okay, now so that it will help you grasp the concepts better. So first I'll solve this part of the equality, which is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. This implies that 2 upon p plus q. Okay, 2 upon p plus q should be equal to 3 upon 2p minus q. 3 upon 2p minus q. Similarly, here we'll solve for b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, what is b1 upon b2? We know 3 upon 2p minus q. Okay, 3 upon 2p minus q, and this should be equal to 9 upon, this should be equal to 9 upon 3 times of p plus q plus 1. Okay, this we'll solve these two questions. We'll get two equations in p and q which we'll solve, and finally we'll get the value of p and q for which the system of equations will have infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let's see this. This is a simple case of cross multiplication. So it will be 2 into 2p minus q is equal to 3 times of p plus q. This implies 4p minus 2q is equal to 3p plus 3q, and this becomes equal to 4p minus 3p is equal to 3q plus 2q, and this becomes equal to p becomes equal to 5 of 5 times of q. So this is our equation 1. Okay, this is our equation. Let me call this as equation A. Now let's solve for this one. When you solve for this one, you can simply cancel 3 ones and 3 threes, and this 3 threes gets cancelled with this 3s. So effectively what you get is, by cross multiplying, p plus q plus 1 is equal to 2p minus q, and when you move everything on this side, you get 2p minus p minus q minus q is equal to 1, and this becomes equal to p minus 2q equal to 1. Now from here we know that p is equal to 5q, so I plugged that in. Now this is my equation B. Okay, so p is equal to 5q, so I put 5q minus 2q equal to 1. This becomes 3q equal to 1, which implies q is equal to 1 by 3. Now I know that p, from here I know p is equal to 5q. So p is equal to 5 times of q, which is equal to 5 upon 3. And this, my friends, is the solution, that for p is equal to 5 by 3 and q is equal to 1 by 3, this system of equations will have infinitely many solutions. I hope you found this video useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any part of mathematics from class 9 to 12, do send in your question at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.